Well, as you can see here on Beethoven's 250th birthday, we've been busy here in the shop over the past week or so. We got the sandblast booth rebuilt after the derecho blew it in and put it to good use. Should have done that when it was a little warmer out. Guess you just have to work faster. But as no surprise, we have a lot of work to do down at the bottom edge here. This is again the floor pan upper section. Got the first piece cut out to repair here. That'd be number one. That little hole up here we'll just fill in with the welder. This is all 18 gauge. Quite the stamping job originally. It's wrinkled and deformed and twisted in all sorts of ways, and I'm a little afraid that there's some built-in distortion in there that once we start cutting on it, might relieve some stresses, so things could move. So kind of watching the Metal Shaper videos, a gentleman out on the East Coast that does a lot of work on Jeeps exclusively. He does a lot of work on metal forms. I don't really have the ability to do a metal form, but I do have some pretty hard woods, and this one is hackberry. The bandsaw doesn't really like to behave at that 60-degree angle, but we're getting there. A lot of hand work to clean it up. Hope to have this finished up tonight and figure out how we're going to clamp everything down, what we're going to mount it on that's solid and doesn't bounce all over the place, and we'll bring you back with some results hopefully. And talk to you later.